Hi there, my name is Jocelyn and I'm from Import Export TV. I would like to do some interview today with you. Is that okay?
Amazing.
Okay. All right. So the first question, can you please tell me more about your company, Summit Recruitment?
Yeah, so CeMAT Recruitment is a direct owned and operated recruitment firm. We provide temporary and permanent recruitment solutions to a lot of the businesses in the supply chain industry, as well as a lot of the tradespeople that are assembling a lot of the automation that we're seeing here today.
Okay. And then what type of like customer you're looking for here in CMAT?
Look, customer wise, anyone that owns a warehouse or anyone that's looking to do any type of work within supply chain is really the type of customer that we're hoping to meet here today.
That's nice. That's good to know. I just would like to also ask you, like, how do you think about CMAT so far? That now this is already the day two.
Yeah, day one was phenomenal. There was definitely a lot of people coming through wanting to know a lot about the businesses here. Today's obviously with a lot of the networking that's going to be happening tonight. It's planned to be one of the bigger days for CMAT. So we're definitely excited to see people coming through and having a chat. So it's always good to talk with people and definitely network and understand a little bit more about the companies that are looking to learn things from today.
All right, that's perfect. Thank you so much for your time today. I'll be seeing you again.